2020 was a strange year in film. We saw theaters shutting down, several major titles pushed back, and other films taking a gamble and releasing to streaming services. Despite the craziness, there were still films that stood out and were well worth your time. Here are our picks for the best movies of the year, unranked, plus our choice for the #1 movie of 2020.
Alright, you wanna live? You stay with me. With me, and I'm gonna kill you. Me and Isabel were gonna run away with each other.
What made you change your mind?
They call her La Bruja.
Mike, you f***ed a married witch?
So all the shit I just said, and that was your takeaway?
Is that all you got?
No, but thank you for asking.
Step out of the vehicle with your hands up.
Hi, Roy.
Don't come in here!
Guess you followed me. It's one of those infinite time loop situations you might have heard about.
That I might have heard about.
Yeah.
This is crazy!
The world needs you.
You know what you need to do. One, two, three, four. Be excellent to each other. And party on, dudes.
Dad!
How is that stealing? If we're stealing it from ourselves, dude.
Here we go. Focus.
Harley! Stop and get it!
It worked! The can is huge! And the band is huge! And you're... Oh no.
Dad?
Just don't tell Bart.
Dad! You are in your house!
Are in trouble big time.
Hold on! How are your boys doing a crisis? Oh no! We're dead, we're dead, we're dead!
Hey. Hi guys. Hey guys. Tina. Caroline. Hi Teddy. Caroline, go back.
What's going on? There's something in the sky.
Be bouncing around the valley tonight.
Yes, I have a story that might be helpful.
I can tell you what's going on.
We may have something that'll need some what?
We followed it from Cold Canyon.
Number, please.
Hello? Is that way? Large object holding over my land like a plane.
We bury it. Later on, we come back and collect.
We've been dying for this country from the very get-go.
Come on now, Dad.
What do you want, David?
An equal share for helping you find it.
Hell to the no.
And the award for Best Movie of 2020 goes to Birds of Prey. While the MCU may have been MIA through 2020, the vacuum was filled by an unexpected bright spot by the name of Birds of Prey. Birds of Prey was a movie that nobody saw coming, especially given Margot Robbie's introduction to the role of Harley Quinn back in 2016's Suicide Squad. The movie really had no right to shape up the way it did, not with so much stacked against it. Everything about this could so easily go south or just become a Suicide Squad Part 2. Instead, what we got felt like some sort of revelation. Not only did Birds of Prey artfully subvert just about every anxiety its audiences might have had, it did so with the sort of over-the-top moxie only a character like Harley Quinn could provide.
Bye-bye, Birdie.
Robbie's evolution in the role has taken her from featured sidekick in an otherwise forgettable team to absolutely quintessential embodiment, standing alongside the likes of Gal Gadot's Wonder Woman or Zach Levi's Shazam. Birds of Prey broke free of the superhero movie mold, blending the sort of wacky irreverence normally found in a standalone feature like Deadpool with the frantic, non-stop energy of a good heist movie, and splashed in a little Looney Tunes zaniness for good measure.
We all know the saying, behind every successful man, there's a badass broad. Well, that was me.
It was cool, instantly rewatchable, and full of a seemingly endless forward momentum. And perhaps, most importantly, it still stands as a much-needed shot in the arm for anyone suffering from superhero fatigue, and serves as a fantastic escape from the boring and the drab, something we could all use a little more of, especially now. What were your favorite films of 2020, and how do you feel about movies releasing to streaming services? Do you miss theaters, or are you excited at the possibility of being able to watch a major release from home the day it comes out? Let us know in the comments, and make sure to check out our top 10 TV shows of the year.